Okay, so last time we took a walk around the car. Today we're going to start cleaning it out. We're going to clean out the trunk. We're going to clean out the inside. Probably take the seats out of the inside first and then clean it up. So let's get started. Okay, now we're looking at the trunk all cleaned out, and honestly, I am pretty happy. I don't see any big holes. It looks like it's in pretty good shape overall. I think probably just strip it, maybe paint it, and then this will be good. Yeah, finally, something that worked out for me today. So, there were a lot of parts. You can see them all over here. So here are all the parts that were in the trunk. I'll have to catalog these and go through them. There's a lot of trim pieces. Actually, that center console's there. That was actually in the car, and I took that out. Try and get better access to get those seats out, which still aren't out. Old alternator over there. Yeah, so we'll have to go through all this, see what's nice, see what's not, and kind of start figuring out what we need to order, which is going to be a lot. So, after we got the top off of the convertible top frame, this is what we got inside. A lot of little pieces of the tarp which fell apart as we were taking it off. There's a bunch of junk in here that needs to be cleaned out. There's this random seat in the back that we're going to need to get out. We're definitely going to need to take out these front seats, and that's actually what we're going to start with. So let's get started with the front seats now. show you what I finally had to do here to get the seat out. So, down here, can't really see it that well, but under here, there's a bolt that won't come out. Still won't come out. So what I had to do was, I actually took the bolt from underside here and underside there, and actually took the seat rail off the bottom of the seat. At least that gives me a little bit better access to this, to try and, you know, cut that out or whatever I need to do down there. I'm going to do the same thing with the other seat, get that out of there, and then I'll try and tackle getting those back bolts off those two rails, get that out so we can get the carpet out and clean things up. Okay, both seats are out. Now let's try and get these things out. Alright, now I can see the bolts on both of them. A little bit more on this one. Alright. Alright, I got it. Check that out. So what I used was one of these things. It's for rounded over nuts. You can see how it grabs in. Very nice. Wow. Let's go do the other side. Okay, now let's take out this carpet, clean things up a little bit. Okay, let's take a look at this inside. Okay, so what I didn't see or realize when we were looking at the trunk is the repairs they did on these floors were done in fiberglass. That's what this mesh is here. So I don't really know what the metal looks like underneath this. So when I get under the car and really take a good look under there after I get this up on jack stands, we'll see what it looks like. If the metal looks okay underneath, you know, maybe we'll just leave it. If not, we'll definitely have to replace the floor pans. All right, in the back here, we don't have the fiberglass repair, and it is pretty rusty. And we do have some holes here. And looks like in here as well. So, but overall, I mean, it's totally workable. We'll live with it. So, I'm a mess, obviously. I've been working my butt off on this. Let's talk a little bit about my vision for this car. I'm not going concourse. It's not going to be a trailer queen. I'm probably not going to fix every little thing exactly how everybody wants, especially the purists out there. I am going to, you know, do some things that aren't original. I'm going to put in air conditioning. I'm going to convert the front brakes to disc. The interior I'm going to keep pretty much stock is my plan. I don't know, things like the floor, I don't need to be perfect, but I want it to be drivable and worry-free. I don't want to worry about, you know, holes showing up or rust showing up, so I'm going to try and get things protected. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to take the body completely off the frame. I'm definitely going to take the front off so I can get to the engine, because we've talked about I want to take that out. And so that's probably one of the next things. I think the dash is going to come out because, you know, I got to get the heater core out and everything. So, and this is a mess. So, you know, I definitely want to get that taken out and cleaned up. The steering column is a joke. I mean, that's not supposed to do that. So, that'll probably be the next thing, and we'll take it from there one step at a time. Try not to get overwhelmed, but let's see how it goes.